You realize per capita how many people that is in Bozeman? So we think all these churches that have been here for 60, 70, 80 years, because there's a church on every corner here, right? Oh, they're doing a great job. If they were, you wouldn't be having 26.8% of drunk people every day, right? So maybe, just maybe, by God's grace, that's why he started Petra Bible Church, because there is a lot of people suffering. What that tells me, and what I know from other people, is that there is a whole lot of people going to church every single Sunday, but the rest of the week, they're drinking every day, because their true Savior is liquor. It's not Jesus Christ. The Sunday morning thing is just to give the show. It's just to give the pretext so that it justifies their lifestyle. In reality, their Savior and what is controlling their emotions is liquor. For the MSU students, maybe it's more marijuana. Who knows? But for the adults, it's liquor. This is a serious, serious problem, is it not? This is not just social drinking. The Bible does not condemn social drinking. It condemns drunkenness and walking in that spirit and in that sin.